Today we are working on phonics lesson 128. We are working on the French endings, or what we consider the French endings, of ICE, ILE, and INE. Now the I in these three sounds at the end of the word can make a long I sound, a schwa sound, or a long E sound. So those are the first you try an I, then you try the schwa, and then you try the E. So let's code these three words, okay? Now, I have this word here. First thing I need to look at is for final stable syllables, combinations, digraphs, suffixes. I do not see any of those in here. So I do have some vowels. So I'm going to put a V under my vowels. And then I am going to put my C for my consonant here. Now I actually use the word. If I draw a line right here between this C and this V, that'd be nodus. And nodus is kind of a strange sounding word when you're trying to read it. So I'm going to draw a line here. And I'm going to put a macron here, my accent mark. So I have notice. This is CE ending, so I'm going to put the cedilla C, and I'm going to cross that out. Now, is it notice, notice, or notice? It's notice. Did you notice if you closed the door? Okay. Now, so we had to put a schwa sound there. My next one is this. Again, I went through my steps of final stable syllables, suffixes, combinations, digraphs, and I see I do not have any. So I will then, that's my fifth step, is always look at my vowels. Now again, I have a consonant here, and I have to decide whether I'm going to draw a line here or draw a line here. If I draw a line here, it's going to be mobile. If I draw a line here and I put my accent mark, then I can make that mobile. Okay? Now I'm going to cross out my E here, and I have says that mobile, 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 eel, which is really hard to say. And it's not. It is a schwa E. I'm in the schwa sound, schwa I. Sorry about that. It's a schwa I sound. So it's mobile. As in, if you're moving around a lot, you're very mobile. And then the last one we have is the INE over here. Again, I went through my steps of final stable syllables, suffixes, combinations, digraphs. I do not see any, but I do have some vowels. I have a vowel, consonant vowel here. So I had to figure out, wow, where am I going to divide this word out? Okay? So if I put it here, if I draw the line between this vowel and this consonant, that'd make that gasoline. I've never heard of gaso. So I'm going to draw a line here and divide it out. Okay? And that's gas. And then I have an O here. I'm going to divide gasoline. Okay? Gasoline. And is it gasoline or gasoline? Do your parents go and get gasoline, or do they have gasoline? It's gasoline. It's a schwa O there. Gasoline. And this is gasoline. And you see this I is making the long E sound, so we just leave it. We do not code that I at that time. So when we are looking at these words, we need to always try a long I sound, a schwa sound next, or an E sound to know what this I is going to be doing. We also have a word, this word here. Okay, again, I can go through all four steps: final stable syllable, suffix, combination, digraph. Do not have any, but I do have Some vowels. I have a CE, so I'm going to do this for S, okay? And I'm going to either have to draw a line here or here. Now I have, if I do it here, it's police. If I hear it's police. And that makes sense. The police, police. Now, police. You're hearing the E sound here. So again, you're not going to code that I. Okay, we also have words like shine, in which we have a long I sound. Okay, so again, once again, I want you to remember that when you see these three, always in your mind, say, okay, I'll try the I sound, I'll try the schwa sound, and then I'll try a long E sound. This is just to help you with your reading. Good luck. I hope you have a good day.